To alleviate neck pain from sleeping incorrectly, try these methods. Number 1, gentle stretching. Perform gentle neck stretches, tilting your head side to side and forward to backwards. Number 2, heat therapy. Apply a warm compress or heating pad to the neck for about 15 to 20 minutes to relax tight muscles. Number 3, cold therapy. Use an ice pack wrapped in a cloth for about 10 to 15 minutes to reduce inflammation, especially if there's swelling. Number 4, proper sleep position. Ensure your pillow supports your neck correctly. A cervical pillow can help maintain proper alignment. Number 5, massage. Gently massage the affected area to relieve tension and improve blood flow. Number 6, over-the-counter pain relief. When you get to number 6, at least make sure you do the first 5 and then see how it feels first. Consider NSAIDs like ibuprofen, and another word I'll leave in the description. Number 7, rest. Avoid activities that could exacerbate the pain. And if the pain persists for more than a few days, consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation.